In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attribute in WooCommerce Product. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach details like size, color, material, and more to any product so customers can understand what they're buying and filter effectively in your store. Start by opening your WordPress website and heading to your dashboard. From the main menu on the left, click Products to view your catalog. Choose the product you want to work with by clicking Edit, or if you're starting from scratch, you can add a new product and follow along in the same way. This takes you to the product editor, where most of your key options live. On this page, look for the product data panel, typically located in the middle of the screen beneath the main description area. In that panel, find and click the Attributes tab. This is the workspace where you'll add specific details to your product. Here, you can add your attributes. If your store already has standard, reusable attributes set up, like a global color or size, you can pick those from the available options. Using consistent, predefined attributes helps keep your filters clean and makes your store easier to browse. If you don't see what you need, you can create a new attribute right here. Give it a clear name, such as material or length, then add the values that apply to this specific product, like cotton, leather, or 20 inches. Keep your naming consistent and easy to understand, because what you enter is what your shoppers will see. You can also decide whether an attribute should be visible on the product page. Turning visibility on is helpful if you want customers to see these details in the additional information section. Keep in mind that you should only select attributes that truly apply to this product. The more accurate and focused your attributes are, the better the shopping experience will be. Once your attributes look good and reflect only what's relevant to this item, confirm your changes in the Attributes tab, then return to the main product area and click Update to save. Give it a moment to process. After updating, your product will include the new attributes and customers will be able to view those details right on the product page and, depending on your theme and setup, use them in filters while browsing. That's it. You've opened your WordPress site, navigated to your product, added the attributes that matter, and saved your changes. With thoughtful, consistent attributes, your store becomes clearer, easier to navigate, and more helpful for shoppers.